Hello friends, today we are going to see how to install the Visual Studio code editor for Node.js and we'll create a basic Node program. Okay, let me show you. So you can go to the Google and search like Visual Studio code editor download. So usually whatever the um, computer version, I mean 64-bit or that 32-bit, whichever you are using, so you have to download the same. So I'll just click this if this icon if you are using Windows, and it will be downloading in your downloads folder, and you have to double click on that and it will start installing on your machine. So initially you have to do this one. So and then there is a icon will be created here, uh, Visual Studio, or else you can get that Visual Studio once installed in your machine. So you can see it on the start menu. So let me open this one now. So you guys can install that by using that web portal. So this one is that open source, so anyone can use without any license. So if we see whenever that new Visual Studio gets installed and open it in our machine, it looks like this only. I can show you what is the um, benefits. I mean, what is the feature of this one, these icons. So if we see this one is the number of files. I mean file format. So what are the files are opened and number of folders opened. So those information by clicking this icon you can see it, and then this search icon for search the content in your file or replace it, like control F and control F H. H. So this one usually you are trying to get the code from Git, or else once you done the code changes you can sync up with the Git repo. So usually this would work for that, and this one is for run or debug mode, and this one is for to install the respective plugin. This Visual Studio Editor not only support Node.js, it would support all other coding languages as well, like Python, C, C++, ESLint, C Sharp. So these code, if at all you want to write here and execute by using this Visual Studio code editor, then you have to install the respective packages here, node packages. Okay. So but we don't want to download this one now, as I'm going to show the node.js only. Okay, so let me go here. So also I can show you the bottom of the tool. This one is the account whichever you created or you logged in. For now I am not logged in my account. You can create your account by using your any free emails. Also this one is the settings to manage the Visual Studio editors configuration and other things. If you see by default, by clicking this one, it will open this problem. I put debug console terminal. This is as similar as the one the other editors has. So like so this is the terminal. Usually that's it. So you can see this is the debug option, and any warning, any notifications would come, so it will pop up here. So let me go type here. Since I installed already Node version 10, I think. Let me check what is the Node package which I already been installed here. Node minus v. This is the command. If you see the Node version v10.15.2 has been installed in my machine already, so I don't want to install. If it is not that, you can install the Node version whichever you want. Better you can go with the higher version, like above 7 or above 8. Okay, so let me go to the basic program now. Very simple basic program. I will going to the new title. So let me save this one as a JS file. Node.js documents. So I'm going to save this one, the program. I go to the program to .js. You see, I saved this one as a JS file. Okay. So now I'm going to write a commands like let text hello world, then console, see if it automatically suggests console.log, sorry, console.log. I'm going to print that text. That's it. So you no need to give the semicolons here. So what I'm going to do is save that one. So if you see this particular file has been saved inside this path. So I have to navigate to the path first, cd documents and node. Now I'm going to run that one node. What is the program? Program. Yes, that's it. See, now you could see that hello world. So you don't want to give the semicolons here for the each sentence. Even if you want, you can give. It won't harm you, but Node will consider the each line most efficient way where it would be ending and it would execute. Okay, so this is the way the initial setup for the Visual Studio. This one is the one of the editor. I hope this one is the best editor to do the Node.js code changes in Windows specifically, and and this is the way you need to install the Node version. I mean Node, and then you need to the basic simple program. This is the way to do it. Like in next sessions, I will show you that how to set up um, the Node and further functionalities. Thank you.